In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use a PowerPoint template to set up a presentation. So this is going to be pretty straightforward, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the PowerPoint application. So however you normally would open it up, I'm just going to search for it on the Start menu, and I'm going to select PowerPoint from my Start menu result page. So once PowerPoint's open here, you should have a variety of different themes you can choose from right on the main page here. And you can go underneath suggested searches here and type in different categories. So let's say you want to do like a paper, you could do select education here, and you would provide you with a list of different themes that it's looking online as well for from the Office website. So you might just have to give it a second to load here so you can see underneath education category all the different ones that come back with it. So it's really neat the amount of themes you have to actually choose from here. And you just would double click on whatever theme you like and it would open it up in the PowerPoint format that we're all familiar with. And again, you have so many different ones to choose from here. It's really nice and it's definitely a very good list. You should definitely be able to provide you one that you like. So I do have this brief tutorial, was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.